Adidas is reinforcing its influence in soccer-inspired footwear through the Megaride line, a hybrid creation blending Predator cleat DNA with retro propulsion tech. This collection has evolved beyond the pitch into lifestyle-ready sneakers, appealing to both athletes and style enthusiasts. The latest highlight is the Collegiate Burgundy edition, which shifts from the line's louder colorways to a more versatile look with muted tones, silver accents, and a supportive medial cage. Nostalgic early 2000s details add heritage flair, while modern updates ensure wearability off the field. Beyond this release, the Megaride family continues to expand, even earning a spotlight during designer Willy Chavarria's SS26 runway with the Megaride AG model. Priced at $150 and dropping soon on Adidas.com, the Predator Megaride Collegiate Burgundy underscores Adidas' ongoing strategy of merging sport innovation with fashion-forward aesthetics that resonate across performance and lifestyle markets.